Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing your Google Pixel for a hard reset. Charge it to at least 50% battery before you begin. Sign into your Google account and note the email address for later reactivation. Backup photos, contacts, and app data to Google Drive or transfer files to a computer. Remove any micro SD card and unpair Bluetooth devices to avoid reconnection issues. Confirm you have the device PIN or password available for reactivation after the reset. Turn the Pixel off completely before trying recovery mode. Press and hold volume down and power together for about 10 seconds. Release both buttons when the bootloader menu appears on screen. Use the volume down or up keys to highlight recovery mode in the bootloader menu. Press the power button to select recovery mode and wait for the Android logo to show. When the Android with exclamation appears, press power then volume up to access the recovery options menu. In the recovery options menu, use the volume keys to select wipe data/factory reset. Press the power button to confirm the wipe and then select yes to permanently erase all user data. Wait while the system deletes data and restores factory settings. This can take several minutes. When the process finishes, highlight Reboot System Now and press power to restart your Pixel. Sign back in with the same Google account to complete setup and restore backups from Google Drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.